So the weirdest thing happened. My Odin 3 actually works. The touchscreen works. I know, right? For all of you, I'll do a tiny backstory. I'll leave all of the saga of my Odin 3, all the videos I've done linked below. But here's kind of the gist. I got the Odin 3 quite a few months back in January. Actually, it was in December. It was in December. I got it. I did a first impressions video on it. It was working. Everything was fine. I did for a quick second see the touchscreen wasn't working for like a quick second, but it wasn't anything that I was like immediately concerned with. Fast forward after the video, after I finished it, I uploaded it, published it and everything. A couple days later, I was starting to make another video because I was taking a trip and I was trying to decide between the Odin 3 and my AYN Thor, which one I was going to take on my trip to Japan. Started to do that video and this died. So it still worked, but the touchscreen wasn't working. It was so bizarre. So I reached out to AYN. It had to be a little while until I did that and actually got in, back and did everything. About a month ago-ish, I did a teardown video. And because I reached out to AYN, they sent me an email back and they said, hey, why don't you open it? Which I would, again, I'll leave the whole, the whole video linked in the description below. So you can see, my whole thought process on that, which I understood, but I also thought it was a little bit ridiculous. So anyway, I did it. I did a teardown and I put it back together. It did not work. It wasn't any worse off. It's just the touchscreen still was not working. I've done the software update that has come out for it. It still didn't work. So I kind of forgot about it because I reached back out to them and I said, hey, this didn't work. What next? And I was hoping they would say, all right, we'll just send you one out. But no. So they actually said, here it is on the screen below. And I'm not looking at it right now, so bear with me what I'm saying right now. But they basically wanted me to go into the developer options of the Android system and turn on developer options, which I already had developer options on. They wanted me to do a couple tests and turn these two things on, which was like a mouse point and whatnot, which I thought was just strange. But okay, I'll play your game, AYN. That's fine. We can do all of that. The other day, I finally sat down and I going to, test this whole thing, and I was going to record a video for them and basically for you guys, but also mainly for them to just say, I bet you this isn't going to work. And my Odin 3 was dead. And the reason it was dead, this is Kevin. Hi, Kevin. Do you want my Odin 3? I went to turn on my Odin 3 and to just, see it, go through the whole steps and everything. And it had died. And the reason it died, the battery, there was no power on the device, is because I can't turn off the device because the touchscreen doesn't work. So I was letting it just kind of die and then plugging it in when I needed to just see. So the device was completely dead, just dead as a doornail. So I plugged it in. It had been a couple hours. I came back to it and I was like, all right, what's going on with it? And all of a sudden, I got into my device. And you can see, if I'm showing, there you go. You can see I can actually get into my device. I can use it as it should be used, as intended, with the touchscreen. And I was able, previously I had to hit the button to actually turn it on. So I was kind of shocked. I hit it and I went, what the heck? So I was able to play a few games on this last night. I was testing the theory. I didn't actually film it, so I was in the middle of filming something else, and honestly, here's how this has always gone before. When it comes back for maybe 5-10 minutes tops, for whatever miracle wants to happen, it goes out right after that. And then I can't play it, I can't do anything, and then I'm no better off than I was before. Occasionally that has happened, but that hasn't happened in months. So that was pre-teardown and everything. I wanted to just make a video and just say it's working, ... question mark, just to fill you in on my saga. Again, I'm doing this to I'm not trying to blast AYN. I'm just trying to show you guys and be completely honest with what has been happening with my device. Because who knows, maybe there's somebody out there that got the Odin 3, maybe they got the same batch as me or not, and maybe you're having the same issue. So I just wanted to just throw this out there. Also, these are the only videos I've been able to make about my Odin 3 because I can't do any gameplay because I can't play my device. So there's that. I'm not frustrated. I'm not frustrated at all. So again, this is my saga. Where do I go from here? I mean, I'm happy that it works. I am. I just worry that, how long is this going to last? I hate to be, negative thinking of this, but it's been a saga. So, and it not really a good one. It's just been something. So, I can't really do what AYN has wanted me to do. Again, that's on what they sent me in the email. And I waited just a couple weeks because life, doing things, whatnot. And I kind of just forgot about it because when, it's not working. I haven't been actively using it. So I've been doing other things and whatnot. So it's only been maybe a few weeks, maybe a couple weeks, I would say 2 to 3 weeks since I got a response back, probably 2 weeks. And now it's working. Now I sat down and now it's working. So I don't know. Is it going to die tomorrow? Is it going to die next week? These are the questions that I have, and I have no idea. So this is where we are. So this is the tiny little update on my saga. I hope that I don't have another, I hope I don't have another layer in this saga. Going to cautiously probably maybe do some more, some gameplay footage or whatnot, and some more testing, and maybe do a normal video about my experience with it, but it's going to be a little tainted. So I don't know, but yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video and just say, hey, it's working. I wanted, and like I said before, I'm doing this not to bash AYN by any means, but to just give everybody an idea of what I have gone through as a consumer, because this is a consumer unit. This is a retail unit. This is not a review unit by any means. So if you have had any sort of issue, if you're about to reach out to AYN because you have some sort of issue with any of your devices, whether it's a Thor or it's an Odin 3 or whatnot, just to throw it out there, this is my experience. I would say it's right in the middle of, I wish that they would say, hey, here's a new device, but at least, I will say this, at least they are not saying, yeah, forget it, you'll be fine, just keep using it or not, and we don't care, so I guess it's kind of middle of the road. It's not the greatest, but it could be worse. So I'm cautiously being optimistic, and we'll see where this goes. So am I going to post another video next week? I don't know. And hopefully it'll be a good video. It'll be, hey, look at this. Look at all the cool things that I've been able to play on here, which people have been able to play for months and not me. So anyway, those are my thoughts. and my experience, not yours. Hopefully it's not yours, but leave all your thoughts and comments down below. You know, do you have an Odin 3? Have you been having issues? Have you not been having issues? What are all the awesome things that you've been doing with your Odin 3? Because now I want to do those with mine. Maybe, hopefully. Are you going to keep working for me? Are you? As always, thanks for watching. Stay awesome and go play some games on your Odin 3, because hopefully it'll work.